Hello everyone, welcome to my another video tutorial. In previous video we had seen what are packages in R. So moving ahead in today's video we will see how to install these packages in R software. So let's start it. First of all open RStudio. Now to install the packages in R we have two methods. For both the method we need to have an internet connection. So the first method is we can directly select from the given menu. So go on Tools, Install Packages. So here you have to just write the name of the package which you want to install. Let's say I am installing ggplot2. Here you can see install dependencies is marked on. Then click on install. So here installation begins and it has been successfully installed. So this was the first method. In the second method, what we will do, we can directly write the script. So if you want to save, you can write here or you can directly write here install dot packages. You will get from the options, select it. In inverted comma, write the name of the package. Then here also we will write dependencies is equals to true. Key indicates true. Then click enter. So its installation begins. And it's done. Now here, as we can see, we have written dependencies is equals to true in both the methods because all these packages are dependent on some another packages. So when we write dependencies is equals to true, it will by default load or install all the other packages which is dependent on this package. Therefore, whenever we install any packages, we have to keep in mind that we write dependencies is equals to true. So, with these two methods, we can install the R packages. Now, to make it working in this software, just by installing, we cannot use it in R script. For that, the second step is we need to load this library or package. So for that, write library and here we'll just write the name of the package, whichever we have installed. Click on it. Okay. Now this package I can use it in my further script. Now once we have installed any packages, we don't need to repeat it again. But every time whenever we are working, we have to load the package. So you can save this if we are installing multiple packages. So you can write the multiple packages name here. So every time when you have to use that package, you don't need to install again and again. You have to just install once and then every time you have to load the packages and that we can do using this function that is library in bracket we have to write the name of the package. So by loading that package we can use it in our further analysis. So that's it about today. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.